lose control. You don't know what to expect. It's scary because it's almost like a new chapter in my life. It's really hard to focus and understand the magnitude of what's happening at that time.
When I was in the hospital, I felt totally out of control, not knowing what was going on in the outside world made me really frustrated and sad and depressed.
I was really scared about covering the cost of it all. I had no concept whatsoever of how much my insurance would cover, how many co-pays am I paying, like all sorts of questions like that.
I had multiple things to worry about at that time. It included loss of work, home management, cooking meals for my family, and who is going to cover my hospital expenses. And when I start doing physiotherapy, who was going to cover all the expenses? That was my major worry at that time.
Because I have insurance, but I go to the emergency room and I still end up with a bill that I feel like is more than it should be. I get a bill from the hospital. I get a bill from the doctor. I get a bill from the anesthesiologist. Sometimes I get bills from people I don't even know who they are.
In terms of my actual health coverage, I initially felt a lack of control because I was unsure of just like how to get started and where to get started. But I think I started to feel in control once I was able to look at like the FAQs and a couple of other resources that they have for customers to really explain the process and make things a little bit easier.
Regarding my healthcare coverage though, I would have gotten, in all likelihood, the accidental injury coverage because I would have gotten some money back and it would have been nice to have that money in my pocket, but hindsight is 2020, of course.
Our supplemental insurance came in and really sort of saved the day for us. Thankfully, we had the supplemental insurance in advance. So when we realized that we were incurring all these costs, we kind of knew that our supplemental insurance would come into effect.